Recording and audio file. In this tutorial I am explaining how to play Kerovi VST in LMMS Linux Multimedia Studio. First, record your voice in Audacity. Audacity is a free voice recording and audio file processing software. Now export your file in OGG format or any other format that LMMS accepts. Now export your file in OGG format or any other format that LMMS accepts. Now open LMMS. And first of all, you need to go to settings and make sure the VST plugin directory contains this Kerovi VST plugin. I have this plugin directory in D drive, and you need to assign this folder to this LMMS file path settings. Now open instrument plugin folder, then drag and drop the audio file processor to the baseline editor. Open that. There is an icon to open the audio file you need to assign to this audio file processor. Just click that, it automatically comes in this baseline editor. Rather than adjust your voice length. Now we need to assign this sound in the piano roll. Open the piano roll and assign the sound file here. Need to adjust the tune of your clear sound.
La 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 la.
And the length of your audio file also you need to adjust.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Now close that window.
La la.
Open the effects window to load the plugin. And load the plugin Kerovi VST. Now if you play this one, the sound will automatically process through the Kerovi VST. And in Kerovi VST you got around 16 presets, inbuilt presets. And further you can adjust your voice as you require it more. You cannot export this without assigning it into the song editor, so you need to assign this into the song editor. Now you can export this audio file to any format, WAV, MP3 or any format you can export. That's it. So simple, not much complicated to play Kerovi LMMS, and you will get good sound. I like this Karaoke very much because there are a lot of options are there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Thank you.